Hello everyone. In this course, I'll cover 100 SQL questions and solutions based on real business scenarios, ranging from beginner to advanced levels. Before we dive into SQL, it's important to first understand what a database is. A database is a collection of data that can be easily accessed and managed. To handle and interact with databases, we use a database management system, or DBMS. Database management systems, DBMS, can be classified into two main types, relational and non-relational. Relational database management systems, RDBMS, include MySQL, SQL Server, PostgreSQL, Oracle, etc. These systems use a similar syntax and rely on primary keys and foreign keys to establish relationships between tables. Non-relational DBMS, commonly referred to as NoSQL databases, are designed for more flexible data storage and are better suited for unstructured or semi-structured data. SQL, which stands for Structured Query Language, is a programming language used to manage and manipulate data within a relational database management system, RDBMS. SQL commands are sent to the database, which processes them and returns the results of the query to the user. With its ability to handle large datasets and perform complex operations, SQL has become an essential skill for anyone involved in data analysis. For data analyst roles, SQL is the top required skill, appearing in nearly half of all job postings. It's also the most in-demand skill for data engineers, featured in over 60% of listings. Even for data scientists, SQL ranks as the second most important skill. The best way to learn SQL is through hands-on practice. After all, practice makes perfect. In this tutorial, we'll work through 100 questions ranging from basic to advanced levels, all based on real business scenarios. We'll use datasets that include over 1 million sales records along with tables for employees, departments, products, and inventory. These exercises will help you extract meaningful information and generate actionable insights to support decision-making. In this course, we'll be using Microsoft SQL Server. If you need help with the installation, I've included a link below to guide you through the process. We'll also be using SQL Server Management Studio SSMS, a graphical user interface tool that simplifies managing SQL Server. In the next video, we'll begin working through 100 SQL questions and solutions. Thanks for joining.